Today I'm sharing my minimalist wallet with you guys. I finally got a new wallet after years and years of having the same one, and I've been using this one for a few weeks now and I absolutely love it, so I'm really excited to share it with you guys. To learn more about minimalism and simple living, make sure that you are subscribed down below and tap that bell to be notified when I upload a new video. So here is my new wallet that I have been loving lately. I put paper just to cover up my information on both sides, but this is it. It is by the company called Undar, and the style of this wallet is called the Dinner, and they have a black color and this color is a blush color, and I chose this one just because when I put it in my purse I can see it easily, because if I get a black one it'll blend in with my purse. So I have this blush colored one. I can easily see it when it's in there. So the wallet is a leather wallet, and it also is RFID protected. On this pocket over here, I just have my ID, so it's really easy to use. I don't even have to take out my ID anymore, like in my old wallet, for someone to look at it. I just show them like this, and then they can see my ID. I also love this pull tab, which is really easy to access my card. So I just pull it like that, and the card comes out. And just put it back in there like that, and it stays like that. So I really love it. It's really convenient as well. Here on the back I have two slots, and I have my debit card here and my credit card here, and then also in this pocket right here I also have another card, and this is just my rewards card for when I get car washes. So but that's pretty much it, what I carry in my card. So my debit, my credit, my rewards card, my Costco card in here, and then my ID. So I honestly don't need any more than this. This is the perfect size. I love how convenient it is to just grab this and just wear it on my wrist and walk out the door, go to the store, and I usually just shop around just holding it like this. So it's really awesome, really convenient. I don't have to even bring my purse in the store anymore, so I love that. Also, if you don't want to have this part, you can always remove it and you can just walk around with your wallet like this. And you can see how slim it is. You can even put it in your back pocket if you wanted to. The way that I use it though is I just keep this attached all the time. So whenever I go somewhere, I can just, again, slide it on my wrist and just go. I love that this wallet is super functional yet lightweight, also very durable. Again, this leather quality is very nice, and I know this is going to last me a really long time, so I really recommend this wallet to you guys. I will leave a link down below if you want to check it out. They have a ton of styles on their website, not just wallets like this, and I'm sure you'll find something that you are looking for that will suit your style. I wanted to really quickly compare my other wallet with this one. So I went from this one to this one, and I actually have a video on my channel where I shared what's in my wallet here. But before this one I had a bigger one, and now I have downsized to this. So I absolutely love this one. Again, just super lightweight and functional. And if you guys want to check it out, just check the description box below. I'll leave a link to their website. This wallet also makes a really great gift for anyone in your life. There are wallets for both men and women on their website, so go ahead and check it out. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!